thank you for coming back to my channel to watch another tutorial. I will be showing you how I do this hairstyle and how I do my braiding pattern. So I will be starting off with freshly washed hair and treated, and I'm gonna part off my hair in like half, and the front is going to be smaller than the back. The back is not really too much of my concern. I'm gonna put it in big braids. The front is more of my concern because I'm gonna make it a bit smaller so I can make it versatile, where I can wear this hairstyle on the side or in the middle or any way I like in the front. So to me, it's more important to do smaller braids in the front and a bit tighter than the back. So I'm going to just braid the front, but I'm not going to do all the front. If you don't know how to braid, you can just flat twist it. It's fine. Just make sure that it's tight enough in order to keep the crochet knots in. So I'm going to do 2 braids only, and then I'm just going to go to the next step. I put the back of my hair in scrunchies, and I'm going to use my water bottle throughout my braiding pattern. I usually do this to keep my hair hydrated, and I also use my castor oil Blue Magic grease. Helps my hair to be moist and oiled and easy to braid, and it's easier to detangle with my fingers while I'm braiding. I also use my Cream of Nature Moisturizer Organ Oil Cream. It also helps my hair to be soft while I can braid. It's a really thick texture and it makes my hair really silky. So like I said, I'm just gonna do 2 braids and move on to the next step. So now I am finished. I am going to tuck the rest of the hair in the back with my crochet needle and get to crocheting with this hair. So I ordered this hair on AliExpress and they brought it to me with like 7 little bags of like maybe 20 in one of those bags, and it is ombre brown, soft fox locks with curly hair. It is 18 inches long and the color is 1B30. It's super soft, it's bouncy, it's shiny, it's very lightweight, and it's also pre-looped. It has little loops that makes it easy for you to crochet with. It's also tangle free. I've been wearing it for like a week now and it didn't shed on me at all. It's easy to maintain. I put it in my bonnet at night, and when I'm taking a shower, it's easy to put it in my shower cap. And you know, it's easy. When I wake up in the morning, I just play with it and I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and crochet this hair in my head, and hope you enjoy the rest of the video. So I'm finally finished, and this hairstyle took me around 2 to 3 hours to install. I love the fact that the front is versatile, so I can wear it in a ponytail, or I can wear it in a bun if I feel like, and also I can wear it on a side part, whether right or left, it doesn't matter. It's very, very versatile. Thank you for coming back to my channel and watching my tutorial. I really appreciate you guys. Give me a thumbs up and please subscribe, and I will see you guys another time. Bye bye.